Equatio has recently made some updates that make the program extremely valuable to primary and junior users. Specifically, it lets the user do traditional algorithms for vertical math. Today I'm going to cover how to use it to do vertical multiplication. The first step is I need to open the equation editor. Once I've done that, I want to make my workspace as big as possible. So I'm going to click on this bar with the dots and drag it all the way up. And now I have a nice large workspace. The next step is to click in my workspace and start typing the word multiplication. From the menu that pops up, you can see I now have choices of multiplying a 2-digit vertical or a 3-digit vertical. I'm going to click on 2-digit vertical. The equation editor now has a grid of boxes in which I can do my math. I recommend before you start working on the math, you need to click and insert a row above in each of the first two sections so you have a space to carry if necessary. And now it's a question of putting one digit into each box and doing your multiplication. Now remember, when you start to do your multiplication, leave the first row of the second section available for carrying. 5 times 6 is 30. I'm going to carry my 30 up. 30 times 5 is 150. Plus 30 is 180. Now, I'm now multiplying by 10, so I need to put in a placeholder 0. 10 times 6 is 60. 10 times 30 is 300. So there is my answer. And now I add up. 0, 80 plus 60 is 140. And so I'm going to carry my 100 to the hundreds column. 100 plus 100 plus 300 is 500. When I'm happy with my math, I insert it into my document, and you can see that it appears all complete.